3 crows. Seagulls. That's it. Oh look, I think this. How many seagulls? I think they really go for peanuts as well. Watch it, watch it. I think, guys, at the back there, they're stealing the show. Well, we've got pate. How many pockets were there? Answers in the comments down below. Right, what I need. And then they all left. I hope you were watching that, because I was dithering around looking for a stick. Let's put the bag down for God's sake. Here we go. I'll just gently open this, because if I peel it open it makes a terrible noise. Third or fourth time's a charm. And I think everybody's going to love this, but it's quite difficult to pick up for a seagull. No. Elder wand. Oh, it's like slapping that stuff about. How far do you think I can throw that? Oh, not bad. See, they're always expecting it to be solid. Oh. Did you see I caught that on the stick? That was awesome. Oh God, that was a rubbish throw. Yeah. Well, I think there's going to be a bit of a frenzy in this corner shortly when I've retired. Oh, you see that? Probably not even showing you that. Oh, the crows have left. I'll leave them with the stick because put that back in the bag. And if I retreat, they'll find all that stuff that was near me. Go on, crows, get in there. Oh, and they all left. Came back. Oh. I think the crows are going to have to push in there, fellas. It's pate, they can't pick it up. Right. That guy peeking. You tried it? What do you think? Duck orange? What do you reckon? Mm-hmm. Tastes like seagull. We've done that joke. We'll keep doing it. Right, let's go and see the next guys.